I have an idea.
What?
This video is for my dad, so should we show him a tour of the house?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where is your daddy?
He's in America. You know where that is?
My donkey toy. I know. My donkey. Bam Bam.
No.
Eat.
That's silly. Let's show him. Who wants to be the tour guide?
Me.
Okay.
Me, I will.
You can do it together, okay? Which room should we go to first? What room are we in right now?
The kitchen.
Yeah, so this is the kitchen.
And
Okay.
here's the dining room.
Okay, let's show him that. What's your favorite thing about this room?
Well, it has like this really big table, and you can like fit like 3 people doing pictures on it. Not like
right.
the other one, because you can only fit like 2 people.
Let's show him out the window. What street is this?
So this is. Should I do the lane?
Sure.
Field Lane.
Well, what street are we on? That's Field Lane across the street.
Teddington Street.
It's High Street.
Oh yes, High Street.
Okay, now should we show upstairs? Lead the way, guys.
Watch TV.
And watch TV. Lead the way, Cole. Go ahead. Come on.
Definitely.
That's the... Yeah. Whoa! Hi, buddy. You're a good hugger. Okay, let's go. Ew, you're kissing my shirt. Okay.
So here is our jungle one.
Ooh. Go, Coley.
Are you doing another film for your dad?
Yeah, it's still filming. We gotta speed it up, though.